In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your IP address in Windows 10. Whether you're troubleshooting your internet connection, setting up a device on your network, or just curious about your system, knowing how to quickly locate your IP address is a really useful skill. We'll walk through a simple method directly inside Windows 10, and I'll explain what you're looking at along the way, so everything makes sense. First, make sure your computer is turned on and you're logged in to your Windows 10 desktop. You'll also want to be connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or with an Ethernet cable, because your IP address is tied to your active network connection. To get started, move your mouse to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Start button. This is the Windows icon. In the Start menu, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. If you prefer, you can also press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time to open Settings directly. Once the Settings window is open, look for the option called Network and Internet and click on it. This is where Windows keeps all of your network and connection settings. At the top, you'll see whether you're connected via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Click on the type of connection you're using. If you're on Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi, then select your connected network. If you're using a cable, click Ethernet, then select your active network there. After you've clicked your network, Windows will show you more detailed information about that connection. Scroll down until you see a section called Properties. In this list, you'll find entries labeled IPv4 address and possibly IPv6 address. The IPv4 address is the one most people refer to when they say IP address. It will look like a series of numbers separated by dots, something like 192.168, and so on. That number is your local IP address on your current network. This is what routers and other devices on your home or office network use to identify your computer. If you're asked for your IP address by a technician or in most basic setup guides, this is usually the one they mean. If you ever need to check it again, just repeat these same steps. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, choose your connection, and look under Properties. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to find your IP address in Windows 10 in just a few seconds.